Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
مددت يدي بقصد الدعاء ووجهت وجهي لرب السماء مددت يدي بقصد الدعاء ووجهت وجهي لرب السماء إمامي علي وغوث الورى يخط لنا سيرة الأولياء وهذا الدعاء دعاؤكم أيل يحدث عن سيد الأوصياء اللهم صل على محمد.
Assalamu alaikum.
Son, you woke up.
Why didn't you wake me up for sahur?
You are still a child and fasting is not obligatory on you yet.
Sarah can keep a fast, why not me?
Fasting has become obligatory on Sarah and not on you. How can you keep such a long fast and it's also so hot?
I want to keep a fast.
That's good. There's some time left in Azan. Have a seat and eat something, son.
وبجبروتك التي غلبت بها كل شيء وبعزتك التي لا يقوم لها شيء وبعظمتك التي ملأت.
My child Saeed, where are you going?
To play football.
Son, you're fasting. You will become tired by playing. Please go after iftar.
Mother, nothing will happen to me. No one will be playing after iftar. Everyone will be watching TV at that time.
Look, you're sweating so much. Go and have some rest.
Where are you people going?
Going to Sarah's madrasa for next year's admission.
I'm fasting. Oh God, what should I do? I am fasting and I'm feeling so thirsty.
You're a child. Fasting is not compulsory for you.
Continue your fasting. Don't make it invalid.
I can't bear it anymore. I am going to have water.
Don't do this. Don't do this.
Drink.
Don't drink.
What are you waiting for? Drink.
Come inside.
This garden is so beautiful. Is it yours?
No,
Then who is the owner?
you.
Am I the owner?
Yes.
You're joking. If it was mine, then I should have known about it.
You have gotten this garden because of your fasting.
Okay, now I understand. So can I eat the fruits of this garden?
Why not?
What happened to the garden?
I told you this garden was granted to you because of your fasting. And since your fasting is invalid, now you're not the owner of this garden anymore.
Sayyid, my son, wake up. It's time for iftar. Oh, my dear daughter, may your fasting be accepted. Son, may your first fast be accepted by Almighty Allah. Son, why are you so restless and disturbed? Please tell me.
What happened to him?
I don't know. Sayyid, please tell me, why are you crying?
Mother, I was unable to keep my fast and I broke it.
Do you know, son, why fasting is obligatory on us?
So that we can feel the same hunger and thirst of the poor people who are unable to feed themselves.
Yes, he was right, but there is one more reason for this obligation, so that we can control our nafs.
But I was unable to control, and I have committed a sin.
I'm not saying that you have done a good deed, but since fasting is still not obligatory on you, so you can be forgiven.
Sir, will Allah forgive me?
Yes, my child. Now go and wash your face.
Dear mother, can I fast tomorrow? I will make sure that this doesn't happen again.
Inshallah. Now let's go and eat iftar.